Hello, good evening all. Hello, is my voice is audible? Okay, in today's session we will continue the e-commerce platform which I have discussing in the previous session. Let us show you the e-commerce website, how it looks. First of all, I will show you the DB like database, what are all the columns that the e-commerce platform utilizing to make it more functional. And then I am showing a website which is built by only with the help of ChatGPT. I have taken a prompt. By the simple prompt, I have developed entire application within 5 minutes. Let me show you the website provided by the AI tool. Let me show you. Let me show you first of all the DB database. Here you can able to see I have a e-commerce database. This is the e-commerce database which it has been provided. It has provided with 6 tables. You can able to see cart, then orders, then order items, products, then users, then wish list. Here you can able to see in the users table we have name, email, then password, and we have another column which is role. Based on role, it will take the user to that particular panel. You can able to see there are 3 users and then a single admin. For your reference, let us log in with this account as I know the particular password of this particular account. Now you can able to see initially the role is, let us make the role as user, then we will go for admin. First of all, I have made the role as admin. I have made the role as admin user. I have made the role as user. Now I will log in. You can able to see this is the e-commerce platform login page which the AI tool has provided. I will paste the email and the password is 56123456. Then I log in. You can able to see this is the user panel. In the user panel, you can able to see a logo, then products, cards, my orders, and then profile, and then a dashboard like welcoming message, and then view products, and then view orders. We have simply then a footer. Let us check with the products. As you can able to see, I have 2 products. One is computer, and then one is phone. And then in my cart, I have only one item, and the products, and then my orders, I have one order. Now I will book this item. Let me show you. I will add this particular item to cart. I will remove the existing product in my cart. You can able to see this is the product which I have. This is the product. This is the product which I have been added to the cart. I will increment the value quantity of the particular item. Then I will refresh. You can able to see as the product subtotal has been changed. You can able to see initially the amount is 10,000. When I make the quantity as S3, the subtotal has been changed to 30,000. Now when I click proceed to checkout, it will it will automatically consider the name, then the email address, which cannot be changeable because at the registration, at the time of registration, we have provided these details. So it will consider by default these details. And then we have to provide the address or provide random. Then we have to select the payment method. Then we place order. Now we can able to see a prompt, a page showing order placed successfully, and then the order ID it has provided like 13, then the total price, payment method, and then shipping address. You can able to view your orders in the orders table. Initially, this particular item has been shipped. Now I have booked for this particular item with the ID order ID as 13. You can able to see that status is pending. The admin has to update the particular status, then only they can able to see the status. You can able to see again. You can purchase the products in the cart. In my orders, you can able to see two products. In cart, there is nothing because in the carted item which I have been checked out. This is the basic user profile. Now let us make, I will log out the particular account. I have been logged out. Then I will change the particular role to admin. Now I will change the role to admin. Wait for a minute, it is loading. Now I change the role to admin. I will say I will change the role to admin. Now again log in with the same account. I will log in with the same account, but my role is admin. When I try to log in, it will take me to the admin panel. You can able to see it will take you to the admin panel. You can able to see welcome message, then manage products, and then we have view orders, then a logout button. This is the home, then products. The admin should add products. You can able to see at the admin panel they have added two products. These two products are showing in the panel. Now the user has to add products in this particular section, which will reflect in the user panel. Now I will add another product. You can able to see add product. Now I will add product name, as computer, then price of the computer, make it as 30,000, then stock quantity 30, then we have to choose a image. I will take this particular image, then add product. You can able to see the product has been added successfully. Now I will go to product section. You can able to see the another product has been added. We have to edit the styles, that is showing the whole length. You can able to see computer 30,000 and then 30. A user can update the product with the help of edit option. You can able to see the user can update the item, then update the product, which will reflect in the user panel. These are all the products. The admin can delete the product. Now I will log in with the, this is the admin panel where the admin can add products, and then at the same time the admin can view the orders who are all been added the items to their cart. You can able to see at the last I ordered the particular item 13, which is my order ID as 13. You can able to see the customer name as Amrim, then the price as 30,000, then the status is pending. Though the admin can update the product. You can able to see in the view, they can able to see the which product they have ordered, cash and delivery, then address, then status as pending, back to orders, then they can update the status. If the status has shipped, then update order, the status will be updated. You can able to see 13th order has been shipped. In this manner whole project will run with the help of create, update, delete. I will show you the code also. you can able to see this is the project structure. This is the project structure where I have for admin panel I have created a separate folder for admin purpose. Then I have assets. In the assets folder, if I upload any product item, it will be stored in the particular in this products folder. In the database, we cannot able to directly store the product image. You can able to see in the database we cannot able to store the product images directly. In the database, you can able to see the database, the images cannot be able to store directly. They will create a file in the code. You can able to see inside assets folder, inside products, they have created the files. You can able to see at last the file name is signature.jpg, which has been stored over here in the assets folder. You can able to see this image has been stored in the assets folder. This is the image which I have recently uploaded, which has been stored over here. The images will be stored over here. These images will be fetched in the code instead of storing the entire image in the database, which will not be supported in the phpMyAdmin. This is clear. Images will not directly be inserted in the database. Are you clear? Then we have user. This is the user. For user, we have separately user folder. Inside this user folder, we have user related logins. Then the main thing is login.php, where it will make the redirections. You can able to see a simple concept where you can able to see I will check with the role. Here when the user enters the username and password, here you can able to see it will check for the role. If the user role is admin, it will automatically redirect to admin/index.php file. If the else, it will automatically redirect to user/index.php. User in the sense user folder index.php file. Admin in the sense admin/index.php file. The whole thing happens here. This is clear. This is how e-commerce platform works. Now, with the help of AI tool itself, now we are going to build a portfolio. We are going to build a portfolio for yourself, and then we are going to host it in the GitHub, where by entering a simple URL, you can able to see your portfolio. You can share the URL also. Can we? Can we build a portfolio? How many of you have an idea about what is a portfolio? Hello. How many of you have your own portfolios? Kindly reply yes if you have any portfolio of your own. Else, reply as no. If you have, paste the URL in the chat box. Hello. Yeah, somebody has sent their portfolio link. Let us open one by one. This is the portfolio of Vignesh. You can able to see education, then experience, then projects which I have written, then the skills, then a contact form. Now the same thing we will make for the persons who have not yet done with their portfolio. This is Yashwant's portfolio. Good. Okay, we have so many open sources where you can able to build the projects by free of cost. Now with the help of AI, we will make a more attractive portfolio like which I have seen previously. First of all, let us take a prompt for making a portfolio. Now I will take a simple chart. Simple. Hello, is my voice is clear? Hello. Okay, I will take a simple prompt from the ChatGPT. Now I will ask the ChatGPT for all these particular things which the things have been included in the Vignesh profile. Here in the Vignesh profile we have basic about section and then introduction, then you have placed the journey about the education and then experience, then they have placed he placed the projects, then skills, then a contact form. The same thing we will ask for the ChatGPT. Now I will ask like, hello GPT, provide a prompt to build a portfolio showing the introduction, about section, then about section, then education and experience, then skills, then projects, and then contact form. Build all this with the help of Bootstrap and make more professional and attractive portfolio. Provide prompt of that. Here you can able to see it has been providing a prompt. Let us take this prompt. I will take all the prompt from here. Now I will go with another AI tool, DeepSeek, where I will paste the prompt. Then I will click enter. Now it has been providing the code. You can able to see with the help of Bootstrap 5 professional portfolio website with the help of Bootstrap 5. Let us wait till until it completes the code. Before that, I will show you. We have another platform where you can able to get the images by free. We have so many tools. I forgot to tell about this. Let me show you. Let us go with. If you want any photos which you want to place in the website, we have some free websites where you can able to download the images. First one is storyset.com. In the storyset.com, you can able to download the images where you can able to download this type of images by free of cost. You can customize these images. If you want any education related images, you just search for the image. You can able to get all the relevant images. You can able to see. You can modify the color of the particular image. You can make it animations and download the particular image. Which image you can want, you can able to download the images from this storyset.com. And then we have some more AI tools where you can able to create images by providing simple prompts. We have another functionality in the ChatGPT itself. You can able to see a Sora. With the help of this Sora, you can able to generate images. Now here itself, I will ask for prompt to create images for the starting section. In the introduction section, we need images to place. I will ask for the AI tool itself to generate a image. Let us ask. It is making the website. Just wait for a few minutes. It will complete the entire page. And then wherever we want images, we will generate the images or we will download the images and place it, and then we will host the website in the github.io. It is creating the last section, project section. It has been completed, the entire project. Now I will copy. Then in the desktop I will save. At the desktop alone, I will make a simple file. I will make it as file name as portfolio.html. Now I will open the particular file and replace the content with the provided code. In this particular file, it has this one. Now I will replace the content with the AI provided content. I will copy the everything. and then I will paste it over here. It has provided up to 688 lines of code. You can able to see it has provided 688 lines. Now I will run the particular file, which is portfolio. I will double tap. This is the portfolio which the AI tool which has provided. You can able to see this is the portfolio which has been provided by the AI tool. How it looks. Hello, how it looks. You can able to see this is mobile responsive as well. You can able to see which is mobile responsive as well. It has been using default image, and then in the education, at the experience, then skills, then projects, then we have contact form. Are you clear how to get a portfolio within simple 5 to 10 minutes? Now let us host this particular website in the GitHub. Now I will show you how to host this particular website in the GitHub. As Yashwant has hosted the particular platform in the Netlify app, you can able to host over there also. You can host the particular website in the GitHub also. If you have pure HTML based project, you can directly host the particular website in the GitHub alone. Let us show you the how to host the particular website in the GitHub. For that, I will open my GitHub, and then I will host the particular website in the GitHub. You can able to see this is also a website which has been provided by the ChatGPT itself. You can able to see this is a website which has been provided by the ChatGPT itself. Look how the website looks, how professional the website looks like. Just you have to ask proper prompt, then it will provide the this type of websites. Can we host the particular created portfolio in the GitHub? Okay, for that just you have to log in with your GitHub. Just you have to log in with the GitHub account. You can able to see I have been logged with the GitHub account. Now you have to create a new repository, or you can modify the existing itself. Now I will create a new repository for your preference. I will make the repository name as I will make the repository new repository. For that I will name web portfolio. I have been created a simple web portfolio. Then I will not provide any description. I will make the particular website as public. You can able to see I have make the website as public. Then I will make a readme file for particular project. Then create repository. Just click the create repository. You can able to see the repository has been created. In this particular thing, I have to add the project. For adding, I will rename the particular thing to the index.php, index.html file, rename the index, and then I will upload the file. Here you can able to see add file, just upload files, create upload files, then choose your file, then select the file. In the desktop, I have the file index.html. I'll choose the file. You can able to see it has been uploading. Now the upload has been completed. Just click commit changes. It will process your file. Now the file has been processed. You can able to see index.html file has been inserted. Inside the HTML index.html, we have the code which we have written now. The entire code has been inside this particular 688 lines of code has been inserted in the GitHub. Now you have to make, here you can able to see a settings option. Here you can able to see a settings option. Till now, anybody have any doubt how to upload the project file in the GitHub? Hello. Just you can able to see a settings page, settings icon. Just click on the particular icon. Just clicking on the particular settings icon, you can able to see this thing. You can able to see a pages. You can able to see pages. Just click on pages. Then deploy from branch. Wait for some time. You will get a particular page in this particular location where the website has been hosted. Just click save. Wait for some time. You will get a link over here. Just wait for some time. It will automatically provide the URL. The GitHub has been provided this GitHub pages especially for hosting the platforms. You can able to see, just you have to create a new repository. Inside this particular repository, you have to make the particular item as public. After making it as public, then you have to create the repository. Then you can clone the username slash username dot github.io. You can able to see with this command the GitHub pages will be created. Let us wait. Now you can able to see, just I have clicked the pages. You can able to see inside my account github.io, they have created web portfolio. You can able to see, just click visit website. The link you can able to see Akram Basha 123.github.io slash web portfolio. You can able to see the entire website has been posted. I will share the link. Go through the link. You can able to open the link in the Chrome itself. Go through the particular link. Just go through the website which I have provided the link in the chat box. Hello, have you gone through the website? These are all simple projects we can able to create within minutes. It doesn't take too much time. Just within minutes you can able to create these websites. We have so many projects which the ChatGPT has been provided. These are all the projects which have been developed in the live session. You can able to see. I will show you the link of this particular website, which is a JavaScript based application which will detect the network speed. You can able to see which is a which will detect the real-time network speed. This is a simple project which will calculate the network speed. The network speed is 96.69 MB per second. Connection type as 3G. Test has been completed. This is a similar website which has been taken from fast.com as a reference and which has been developed. You can able to see this is the same thing which has been developed over here. You can also make some projects by your own, create new ideas, then ask. You have so many tools to create the projects. Then after creating, go through the code. You can easily understand. This is pure HTML and JavaScript based application. Then we have so many projects like this. For the web development classes, these projects has been created. Go through the particular codes. Then I have to say like at the end of the session or the end of this particular web development batch, till now we have completed up to 20, nearly 20 classes. Now I will assign some projects to each individual. They have to complete the project. Then they have to deploy the code in the GitHub, and then they have to provide the link of the particular website. They have to provide the link of the particular websites. Is this clear? I will assign each project to each individual. You have to complete the project by using simple concepts like the projects will be within the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then a simple PHP based applications. You have to complete the projects. Are you clear that you can able to make the projects? You can utilize the AI platform. Can I assign the projects for each individual? In the tomorrow session, I will assign projects to each individual. I will assign simple projects itself. You have to complete the projects. Then you have to provide this type of links to me. Is this clear? Now we have completed with the help of AI tools, we have created a simple portfolio. Then we have learned how to host the particular website in the GitHub. Now, if you have any doubts, you can ask now. I will clarify your doubts regarding anything. Hello, does anybody have any doubts? Till now, which I have completed like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and then MySQL. These are all the simple concepts. There is another concept which is a framework, which is with the help of this PHP, we have a framework which is known as Laravel. You can able to make complex projects with the help of this Laravel. You know that the entire Facebook runs with the help of PHP alone. The entire application, web application of Facebook has been built with PHP. Does anybody know that entire Facebook has been developed with PHP alone? There is nothing difference between Laravel and PHP. If you learn PHP, then the Laravel will be also very easy to you. With the help of Laravel, you can make complex projects, and then you have more secure than compared to PHP. In Laravel, it follows MVC framework. Laravel is a framework which follows MVC framework, which will also support SQL, SQLite, and other databases also. You can make use of those to make more complex projects. I will show you the uh, a simple project in Laravel. With the help of simple commands, you can build a simple application without writing single line of code in Laravel. Does anybody want to learn Laravel? Hello. With the help of Laravel, the project structure will also be created with the help of Laravel itself. It will automatically create the project structure by its own by running simple commands. For the Laravel, you have to download simple software which is known as Composer. Just you have to download the Composer, then you can make the project. Now I will show you simple authentication like login registration form. In Laravel, I have Composer by default. I have downloaded the Composer. Now I will create a simple login and registration without writing single line of code. Now I will show you to create a simple Laravel application. Can we create simple Laravel application now? Okay, we will create a simple Laravel application. First of all, I will show you the folder structure of the Laravel application. I have a Laravel application in my folders. I will show you. And then there is no need of placing the Laravel application. There is no need of placing the Laravel application in C drive alone. No need of rules like this. You can able to place wherever you want the Laravel application. Just I will show you. First of all, I will show you the application project structure. Then we will talk about that. In the D drive I have the project. This is the project. You can able to see this is the project. All these files has been created by its own. You can able to see here I have so much of files. All the files has been created by running simple commands. You can able to see inside app we have so many folders. Inside those folders we have so many files. All these files and the folder structure has been created by the Laravel itself. You can able to see we have so many files inside this inside folders. All this project structure will automatically created by the Laravel itself. Now we will create a simple Laravel application. First of all, in the D drive itself, I will create the Laravel application. Just have to select the folder wherever you want to create the Laravel application. Suppose if I want to create the Laravel application in the D drive, I will go just you have to select the D drive. Just you have to select the D drive. Just I will select the D drive. Inside D drive, I want to create the project structure in the D drive itself. Just you have to select in the URL. Just click the URL. Then just type cmd. Just type cmd and click enter. It will open a command prompt like this. It will open a command prompt like this. We have Laravel documentation. You can able to visit the Laravel documentation itself. Laravel documentation. Just search for Laravel doc. You can able to see at now we have Laravel 12. We will go with some older version itself. Just click the URL. You can able to see this is the Laravel documentation. Here you can able to select the versions. Over here you can able to see there are these many versions of Laravel. Just you have to select the Laravel version which you want. I will go with the latest version itself. Here you can able to see in the installation. Then we have configuration. All the things will be provided in the documentation itself. Just you have to this is the thing. First of all, you have to run a command in order to create the Laravel project. Now I will ask the simple command. You can able to see there is a simple command to create Laravel application. Just I have composer. First of all, you have to download the composer. Just search for composer. By installing composer alone, you can able to run the application. Here you can able to see this is the composer. This is a software. With the help of this composer alone, you will going to run the PHP which is Laravel application. In this particular thing, you can able to download the composer which is also free of cost. Just download the composer. Then you can able to see this is the simple command. This is the command in the selected URL. Just paste the URL. I'll remove this thing, no need of this. Just you have to provide composer create project laravel and then the project name. I'll create the project name as login. I will create the project name as login. Just click enter. You can able to see now it has been started to creating a application. You can able to see there is nothing over in the D drive like login folder. Just you can able to see now the login folder has been created. Inside the login there is only vendor. Let us wait for some time. It is be downloading the application. It will automatically download the entire thing. Wait for some time. It will take some time in order to create the application. Still it is creating the project structure. It will take some time because it has to create up to 1000 plus files. It will automatically create 1000 plus files by its own. You can able to see it will automatically create database itself. It will automatically create database by its own, and then it will automatically insert the data tables also. Now the project structure has been created. First of all, I will show you the project structure. Here I can able to see this is the thing which this is the login which I have created the project. Inside the project you can able to see these many files. I will open the thing in the VS Code. I will open the file in the this is the file which has been created by the project. You can able to see all the folders has been created. by its own by running a simple command like composer create project laravel slash laravel and then the project name. Then we have to create for running this particular application. You have to run a simple command. Just you have to go into the particular file, just type cd then the project name. You can able to see I have gone into the project folder. Then you have to run for running this particular application. Just you have to write a simple command like php space artisan serve. You have to write a simple command like php space artisan serve. Just click enter. You will get a url. You can able to see you will get a particular simple url. By clicking on this particular url, it will automatically take you to the project. You can able to see this is the by default page which has been provided by the Laravel application. This is Laravel 12. Now the project has been created. Are you clear till now about creating the project? Now we will make login and register without writing single line of code by running simple commands. Just you have to change this particular thing, this particular, because you have to connect the MySQL server. By default, by creating the project, it will automatically create it will automatically take SQLite. In the .env file, you can able to see in the .env everything will be provided over here. Inside it is being using the SQLite. Instead of this, I will have to make the port as MySQL, then port as 127.0.0.1, then 3306 port, then Laravel. This is the database name. I will make the database name as login, then username as root, then the password as empty. Now we have a simple command. You can able to see inside my database there is no folder, no database with the name login. I will open my database. You can able to see inside my database there is no database name with login. By running a simple command like inside this, just I will stop the thing. Just you have to write a command like php space artisan migrate. I have written a simple command like php space artisan migrate. Just click enter. Just you can able to see it is asking like if you want to create the database login, because it doesn't exist in the database. If you provide y, it will create the database and then it will automatically create some tables too. Just I will refresh the page. You can able to see a new database has been created with the name login. Inside the login we have these many tables. It will automatically create these tables. It will automatically create users table, sessions table, catchy table, failed jobs. This all will be automatically created. And then no need of coming and creating the table here. You can able to create the tables by running simple commands also. Here you can able to see. Here I will go with, I will search for migration table, migrations. Here you can able to see this is a simple command to create tables. I will copy this command. I will explain you. Just I will create a simple table for your reference. Just the command you can able to see php space artisan make migration. You can able to see make migration create flights table. Just I have mentioned flights table. Table name as flights table. I will click enter. You can able to see the migration has been created. In the project structure, in the database folder, in the migrations file, you can able to see the projects have the tables has been created. Users table, catchy table, then jobs table, then flights table. Inside the flights table, you can place whatever the columns you need. This is the flights table. Here you can able to place whatever the columns you need. Just I will make name, then email, then phone. Just click save. Then again I will run the same command. PHP space artisan migrate. Click enter. Okay, here we have to provide the data types like this format. String of name, because the ID is integer, we have to provide in this format. String of name, string of email, because these are all email string formats. String of phone. If you run PHP space artisan migrate, you can able to see flights table has been created. If you open the database, just open the database, then click on the new login database. You can able to see flights. Here you can able to see flights table. Inside this flights table, ID, name, email, phone created and updated. Is it clear? To create a simple tables by running commands without coming here and creating the project. And then we can able to create the folders also without making here. I can able to make the controllers also. Here I have said like the Laravel by default uses MVC framework. MVC frameworks in the sense models, view, controllers. Models, views, then controllers. It follows model, view, controller. It has more things. In the tomorrow session, we will going to learn about what is MVC framework, then how to initialize the project, then how to make the simple login and register without writing single line of code. And then at the same time, we have so many built-in features. We'll create a chart application without writing single line of code. We'll make a chart application too by using Laravel. Is this clear? If you want to learn Laravel in depth, we have some resources like just go through laracast.com. Just go to laracast.com. In the laracast.com, you can able to find Laravel courses and then other two courses also. This is the best source of learning Laravel. Here we have videos. We have to go through the each videos. You can able to see. We have so many tools. You can learn by here. We have so many topics here to learn like AWS, clean code, CSS, Blade, authentication, API. We have so many. We have so many tools here to learn. You can able to see these many we have. Here you can able to see Laravel. We have Laravel. Inside this Laravel, we have so many courses. Like you can able to see DevOps. In the DevOps, we have all these concepts. In the frameworks, we have Laravel. We are going with Laravel. Then in the languages, we have CSS, GraphQL, JavaScript, PHP, and then SQL, TypeScript. Then we have techniques. In the techniques, it comes Blade, security, queues, pagination, and then all. In the testing, we have PHP unit for testing. In the tooling, we have to learn about the Git, then Redis, which is also for more, then MySQL, then Visual Studio Code. You can learn everything from over here. Just select the thing, then go through the course. Just select the course. You can able to see the course is for 1 hour 20 minutes of course. Just play series. You can able to continue the course. Is this clear? Okay, today we will wind up the session. In tomorrow's session, we will learn more about Laravel. Okay, thank you.